Forget Paris or Bali. Have you heard of Albania? Nestled in Southeast Europe, Albania is a secret oasis that's stealing the hearts of travelers in 2025. Picture this: crystal clear waters of the Albanian Riviera stretching for miles. You could dip your toes in the Ionian Sea by day and enjoy authentic, budget-friendly feasts by night. Can you feel the sun on your skin yet? Now, let's talk landscapes. The rolling, untouched hills of Albania's countryside feel like a scene out of a painting. And oh, the castles. Step into the towns of Gjirokastër and Berat, where history whispers from every cobblestone. These UNESCO World Heritage sites deliver a blend of Ottoman architecture and breathtaking surroundings. Definitely bucket list material. Quick tip: visit late spring or early summer. The weather is perfect, and the crowds? Minimal. For the adventurers, hiking in the Valbona Valley National Park will leave you speechless. The fresh air, the rugged peaks, it's an Instagram dream come to life. But the hidden gem? Xamil Islands, an archipelago that rivals the Maldives without the hefty price tag. Imagine turquoise lagoons, white sands, and a sense of quiet intimacy that's hard to find these days. And guess what? Albania is incredibly welcoming for solo travelers, couples, and even families. Hospitality is a way of life here. Pack your bags. Your next adventure starts now. Subscribe to Destination Travel and let's uncover the world together. Albania waits for you.